The RG Colorado has been a popular car on Australian roads. However, shuddering from the torque converter clutch seems to be a common complaint.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
Vehicles with automatic transmissions commonly use a torque converter to transfer drive from the engine to the transmission. A torque converter is a fluid coupling that uses an impeller attached to the engine that forces the transmission fluid onto the blades of the turbine, which is attached to the transmission. This system is smooth but allows a lot of slippage, which produces heat in the transmission fluid and reduces the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. Many modern transmissions have torque converter clutches that can lock the impeller to the turbine for a direct drive, which increases the fuel efficiency of the vehicle at cruising speeds. The RG Colorado uses the 6L50 transmission with a torque converter clutch, which has been known to slip when applied. This can be felt as a shudder from the transmission. Using the diagnostic steps to confirm that the torque converter clutch is slipping, the OE recommendation is to flush the transmission 3 times with new fluid specified for that transmission, which may restore normal and smooth operation. However, degraded transmission fluid is not the only possible failure point for the torque converter clutch system. There could also be electrical issues in the transmission electrical hydraulic control module. The valves in the transmission pump housing that control the clutch may be worn and leaking, or the torque converter clutch friction material may have failed. Further diagnosis will be required if a change in fluid does not resolve the shuddering problem. For the diagnostic steps to confirm the torque converter shudder and the fluid flushing procedure for the RG Colorado with the 6L50 transmission, see the May 2024 issue of VACC's Tech Talk magazine. Log on to VACC MotorTech or call VACC's Tech Advisory Service.